Every personalized product business owner asks this question: how do you cut through the noise and achieve spectacular growth? In this series, we show you how our partners did it with Printbox. Here's the first story. Meet our partner from the United States. Instead of competing on all fronts, they focused on one well-defined niche: greeting cards. Instead of offering it all, they mastered one thing better than anyone else. And today, I'll walk you across the 3 pillars they built their strategy on. First, a perfect product. Since they focused on a single product, they knew it had to be flawless. They prepared a wide range of beautiful, ready-to-use templates. With a smooth user experience, customer could create a card in just minutes. No complications, just upload a photo, add a message, and go. Second pillar, smart marketing. Marketing is important, and I'm not saying that just because I work in marketing. I'm saying it because it truly makes a difference. This client invested in SEO and effective campaigns to reach the right customers at the right time. They used their resources wisely and took full advantage of seasonality, especially the graduation season when demand for their products peaked. Third pillar, technology and partnership. The client needed a platform that could not only support their strategy, but also help it evolve. Printbox provided the scalability to handle their seasonal peaks and the tools for continued growth. Our team proactively suggested implementing an upsell module to increase their average order value. And that's what real partnership should look like. We're here to help you grow, not to disappear when support is needed. You're probably curious about the results, and you should be, because within 1 year, they achieved 350% sales growth. And it all happened because they defined their niche, created the perfect product for their audience, and partnered with the right technology provider. Want to join the ranks of successful stores like this? Visit our blog for guidance or book a call with our team.